Hey guys, good morning. This is Noel here, and you are watching KD Architect. So, welcome to KD Architect. So, today in this video, we'll see regarding door schedule. And one of our subscriber left the comment on our previous video, that is how to add curtain door into the schedule. So, we'll see whole the process to add curtain door into the schedule. So, generally, we create the door schedule for the wooden doors and how to add a curtain door into the schedule and how can we show the this is our curtain door family or curtain door into the projects. So we'll see some tips and trick in this video. So for the better understanding, keep watching till end. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, we have level one, and over here I have just modeled basic walls and floors, and I have some added some families for the plumbing, furniture, etc. So over here we'll add some door family. So to add the door, we are just pressing the DR shortcut. Now, as you can see, I have added some door family with the dimension. So let me add double door over here. And again, we are using door command and we'll add some single door. Okay, so we are using 3 feet by 6 8 height door, single flush wooden door over here. Let me add some doors. Okay, so like this way, you can add the doors with the specified dimension. You can, if you want to change the width and height of the door, you can duplicate the door and directly you can change. Over here, just add the doors. Okay, now it's a basic layout of the different rooms over here. And now let's suppose this is our commercial space with the residential, and in the front, just in any case, you just want to add the curtain door over here. So let me add first curtain wall over here. So over here we are adding curtain wall, having the length of 10 feet. So we are just pressing 10 feet. So as you can see over here we have added curtain wall. Now if you select the curtain wall and go to edit type over here, and now if you see, I have checked this option automatically embed. That means whenever you add the curtain wall into the wall, it will cut the main wall automatically. So as you can see, when I added this wall, the curtain wall cut the main wall automatically. So that is the meaning of that option. Now over here we'll go to 3D view and we'll set the front view. Now select the curtain wall and let me adjust the height of curtain wall. Over here we are adding 6 8 value. Okay, that's fine. Now in the architecture tab over here, just go to curtain grid. Now let me add two curtain grids both side for the side lights, and in the middle we'll add curtain door. Now, with the help of tab key, just select the middle panel, and now here you can just drop it down. Now, here you will find a curtain door. That is, I have already loaded into the project. So you can create a separate family, or you can use the default curtain door family, which is in the Revit. So just select and if you see, automatically it will add into the curtain wall. Now the curtain wall has been added into the uh, curtain wall panel. And now over here, if you see in the floor plan, we have curtain wall, we have wooden doors, and just now we'll create another, we'll create a schedule, door schedule. So to create the door schedule over here, if you see in the project browser, जस्ट सिलेक्ट द schedules एंड डू द राइट क्लिक एंड न्यू स्केड्यूल यहाँ पे आपको क्लिक करना है. सो यहाँ से हम न्यू स्केड्यूल भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. Now over here in the architecture, we are creating door schedule. So just select the door and click on the OK. Now in the door schedule, जो भी आपको वैल्यूज चाहिए, जो भी पैरामीटर चाहिए, वो आपको यहाँ से स्विच करना, आई मीन उसको ऐड करना है इन दी schedule fields. So over here we'll select first, that is our type mark. So for the type mark, we'll go down and over here, yeah, we'll add this one. Now, second option is our width. So over here, we'll add the width, and then we'll add over here height. For the height, let's go down over here. This is our rough height. No, we'll add a height parameter over here. Okay, we have height parameter. We'll transfer over here. Now we'll add next one is count, and then at the last we'll add comments. I'll explain why I'm adding this option. And now we have added type mark, width, height, count, and comments. And now click on the OK. Now, as you can see, we have door schedule having following parameters: a type mark, width, height, count, and comments. Now we'll adjust the door schedule with the help of this field filter and a sorting, formatting, appearance parameter. So just click on the any one of this option. Now over here, just we'll go over here into the formatting, and for the type mark value, we'll add over here. जो भी यहाँ पे टाइप मार्क पैरामीटर है उसका हेडिंग आप यहाँ से दे सकते हो. So we'll add the door heading, and for the width, height, count, and comments, we'll keep as it is. Now go to sorting and grouping. Over here, just you want to select type mark value and just select the ascending order. Now in the filter, okay, one thing I left over here. Over here I have checked already. Over here this option checked, but just you want to uncheck this option and click on the OK. Now as you can see, we have multiple doors with the counts. Now over here, if you see 23, 24, 27 type mark value. So just let me switch this door over door schedule over here, and in the floor plan we'll add a type mark value. So as you can see, if I select this door and let's check all similar doors. Okay, so for this type door we'll add type mark value over here, that is 0, 1, and click on the OK. And so यहाँ से we are using SS select all command and will hide temporary. And now over here for the double door, this type of door will add type mark value 0, 2. And for the curtain door, now the how to add curtain door into the schedule, I'll explain. Now select the curtain door, go to edit type, and now over here we'll add type mark 0, 3. Okay. Now just select the curtain door, and over here in the comment section you can add the curtain door. Whatever comment you want to add over here, you can add in this tab. So over here I'm adding the curtain door, so we can identify in the schedule this is our curtain door. And just finish. And now let me unhide all doors over here in the floor plan. And now in the floor plan, जितने भी हमने यहाँ पे कर्टेन वुडन डोर्स ऐड किए हैं, कर्टेन डोर ऐड किए हैं, वो सारे यहाँ पे स्केड्यूल में आ चुके हैं. So if you observe over here, we have 1, 2, 3 type mark, that is our door type, and whatever the width and height of the door that is mentioned over here, and this is our count. So in the schedule, if you select this 0, 1 door and select on the floor plan, it will highlight all doors over here. So that is, if you see, हमारे पास यहाँ पे 4 doors है. So as you can cross check over here, we have 4 doors. And for the 0, 2 type, over here we have double door, and for the 0, 3, over here we have curtain door. So as you can see, यहाँ पे हमने comments को add कर दिया है कि this is our curtain door. So like this way we can identify easily in the schedule. This is our curtain door having dimension of 6 feet by 6, 8. So like this way, you can add the curtain door into the schedule easily, and just you can play with the filter, fill, sorting, and formatting parameters to adjust the door schedule as per your requirements. So like this way, you can add the curtain door family into the schedule, and like this way you can easily mention the this is our curtain door family into the project. So I hope you like this video, and if you really like our tutorial, please leave one like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.